vegetable oil for the like a stir fry and deep fry your spring roll. Okay, for the next one, fish sauce. It is salty from the fish sauce. We use just 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Just 2 teaspoons because this one is salty. For the soup, you can add more later when you cook. Okay, and the next one, oyster. This one is oyster sauce is sweet and salty. We use just only stir fry. You can see my garlic after bubbling already, right? And you can add all the garlic. All of it for the garlic. And you can stir until you can smell it. After bubbling already, and you can stir together. You can cook the egg and you can mix together with the noodle. Flick and flick again. Like this. It's easy, it is simple. Not easy for you? Why not? Okay. About the seasonings, we use same seasoning. 1, 2, and 3. But now my pad thai finished already and turned off the gas. We have the new plate for you under the stove. This is the new plate for you. This is banana leaf. For Thai people, we don't eat banana leaf. We use just to change the smell like a aroma. Okay. This one you can slide the noodle on the plate.
Wow. Let's give for my
This is my pad thai. Yeah. This is my pad thai. You can smell it. Just smell it. Don't taste it. Okay, you can try later. Okay. This is my pad thai. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณค่ะ Are you ready?
อันนี้ให้หน่อย
Okay. Okay, hello. This one for you. My pad thai.
Oh.
And we have the topping on that table. Yeah. Okay. Are you ready, everybody? If you one chicken.
Okay.
One chicken. One chicken. Okay. And for you, chicken, the egg and the rice. Right? Also with the chicken. So beautiful. Okay, I check your memory first. About the brown sugar. The big one like this? No, just half and half. Just half and half. The brown sugar, the half, just half and half. The oil, 2. By your emotion, 2 tablespoons. Fish sauce, 2. Yeah, 2 teaspoons. Oh, this one, right? Okay. Oyster sauce, 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Are you ready? 2 fish sauce and 3 oyster sauce. If you're ready, turn on the gas to 9 o'clock higher for to push and
Come on and cook with me. That is Asia Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is Asia Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook like a real time. That is Asia Scenic. That is Asia Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is Asia Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is Asia Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook like a real time. That is Asia Scenic. That is Asia Scenic. come on and cook with me. That is Asia Scenic.
No way. Where you from? Where you from? Ireland. Ireland. Oh, okay. Irish people always. You know, this picture. This for the people from Ireland. This for 10 more than 10 years ago. They're from Irish. Always is spicy. That. A little bit.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's see. I think compared with all European, Irish,
Like spice? Yeah.
it's the most spicy Irish people. Yeah. Okay. Enjoy.
ไม่น่ากินมากวันนี้ข้าวผัด
น่ากินน่ากินไปดู reaction ตอนเขากินหน่อย Want to see Bon appetit Bon appetit Okay How to eat it? We use spoon. We use spoon for eating, and fork for serving. Okay. Yep. You have 3 words. You have to say, awesome, excellent, and perfect.
for the first menu thank you so much enjoy your meal thank you ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you very much.
Excuse me. We're gonna see your reaction. It's good. You have no choice. You have to say good. And for pad thai, mix together first. Try to mix all the flavor together. Okay.
This is water?
Water. And also this one is water as well. Okay.
Okay.